Where you going, Otis? Otis. What you got? Huh? Oh, he's gonna come at me sideways. Look at him. What you doing, buddy? He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy. Yeah, he's a pretty boy. Right here's a little rooster right here, Silkie. Name is Otis. You can see he's kind of protective. Betty, who's in the coop, is being broody. It's right at the beginning of spring. She's got a couple of eggs under her. We'll let Mother Nature take its course. And we'll show you Betty here. He's a pretty boy. Look at him, he's pretty. And they're smart too. Very smart. You gotta watch him though. He'll come at you sideways. I like to carry a little stick. Now I don't hit him with it, but I'll take the stick and kind of peck the ground. That's all I do. Literally, and you watch, I'm gonna go over toward him, pecking the ground, kind of like I'm one of the flock. And he'll just kind of walk away. Kind of keeps him from coming at me. Now we're going to check on Betty. Hear that noise? That's her being broody. Hello, Miss Betty. What are you doing, Miss Betty? She's got 2 eggs under her. They make great mothers. And they say that a Silkie will hatch a rock. You give her a rock, she'll hatch it. You want to be careful messing with her here. I wouldn't pick her up without gloves because she might get you. But normally she's very docile. But when they're broody, you know, that's a different story. They're like the mama of all mamas. Ain't that right, Betty? Betty. And she's like, you know, leave me alone. Get out of here. I'm being broody. Going to have us a couple of babies. And she will not lay while she's broody. It takes up to 21 days. And it might take a month or a month and a half after that before she lays again. But this is the first time she's been broody. She's not even hardly a year old. So I'm gonna let her do her little thing. Make sure you keep plenty of food and water nearby her, because they don't like getting off them eggs. They'll stay on them. You can give a Silkie any kind of egg and she'll hatch it. That's what they do. Make good mamas. And oh boy, here he's very protective. He's watching out for her. He said, that's my baby's mama. But we'll keep you updated. This is the first week, and she went broody a few days ago, so we'll keep y'all updated. And hopefully we have a couple of little furry babies running around in there. Any advice for first timer? This is my first time. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Please comment below and say hello to Otis and Betty.